Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is the action from Friday's session. This is 6:30 open right here for New York time. I guess that would be 9:30. And just before the open, we've got a buy signal long right here. This green line penetration of that as the color turns green, just as far as the indicator is concerned, would constitute a buy signal. And the same would be true here for a sell signal on the opposite side. Break of the red line, turn the bars red, and the white bars in the middle is somewhat of a neutral and or a continuation signal in the direction of the current trend. But that would be when certain conditions are met according to the method. But anyway, just going to show the turning points from the start of the day. This would be long. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 2.5 points right here on that first push. Reversal short looks like about 7, 8 ticks short. Long, this happens pretty quick. A little continuation push right here. Looks like several points. 2, 3, 4. 4.5 points. That's just the first 15 minutes of the day. Those are just the first few trades. Just short directional turns on the market. It's about 1.5 points, actually 7 ticks. Looks like I put a note there on that. Entering short right here off this signal, 1.75. So anything small, point and a quarter, 1.5 even would have gotten you filled for sure before you had a little change of direction right here. And then you've got several points to like a 3-point push. So just off the open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a continuation 6 trades the first half hour, really all for several points. I'm not saying that you'd be able to pick up and capture all of those, but the trades move out usually right in that direction, long, short, very little movement against you. You can just see it from there. This is a continuation long right from that signal right there. Opposite direction. Again, this is about 1.75, 2 points short, and then another 2 points long. Looks like the momentum in larger time frame charts we could identify where, and with other tools, I won't say what, you can identify which direction the market is trading in the dominant trend and take those trades. So this would be somewhat of a counter trend. Just say you could skip this trade and take the long, and then the method would tell you otherwise you could be out of that trade. So that was a nice move here. 2, 3, a little 4-point move to the top just after 7:30. If you took this trade short, this looks like 1.25 on an initial push, but then this right here, the momentum is slowing. You can see this would be an out, if nothing else, and or if not there, not the very latest right there, the least right there. Just a couple of tick loss. A lot of times the losses I take are 1 or 2 ticks, so that would maybe be one of those. I would re-enter short right here. This big box in here is the lunchtime trading. Look at that. That's just a very, very slow 2 hours of trading of nothing. All what we saw was 2 hours of really good action. There's 2 hours of slow inaction. Takes us into the afternoon session after the New York lunch. There's a nice big push off of a really good predictable bottom right here. Actually, some of the other points of the method would be calling for a bottom right in this area. So this would confirm that, and there's actually higher prices coming into the session. And this would be the second target area. So this here would be a nice target area push up into that 1103 area. Take the short, that would be a stop out, maybe 5 ticks, and then take the short again. That would take you into the close for a several point move right into the end of the session right here. There's the night trading happening right there. So we'll see tomorrow. Looks like actually 11:15 I believe it was. I see short-term resistance in this trading up to that. So